Sunlight falls and trees do weep. Silent whispers secrets keep. Nature calls my soul to sweep. Walking slow on the path clear. Feel the earth calm and near. Birds sing songs for me to hear. Heartbeats blend with what I steer. In the forest I find peace. Nature's wonder endless lease. Self-discovery in each breeze. Sunlit rays like gentle teas. Leaves that dance in golden light. Morning dew, sweet and bright. Every step feels so right. Guided by the forest sight. Crickets chirp a lullaby. Blue sky peaks with soft sigh. Time stands still, I close my eyes. In this beauty, no disguise. In the forest I find peace. Nature's wonder endless lease. Self-discovery in each breeze. Sunlit rays like gentle teas. In the forest I find peace. Nature's wonder endless lease. Self-discovery in each breeze. Sunlit rays like gentle teas. Leaves that dance in golden light.